Impact of British administration in India. In this video, the two important aspects of this lesson we going to discuss. The first one is impact of British education in India. Under this heading, there are some very important points which support the impact of British education. The first one is development of modernity, secularism, democratic attitude, rationality, nationalistic ideas in Indians. Increased local literature, language, and facilitated the unity in thinking process. Emerged periodicals and enabled Indians to have critical opinions on various issues. New social and religious reform movement started. It brought fresh thinking in minds of Indians by J.S. Mill, Rousseau, and Montesquieu. Indians were influenced by freedom struggle of other countries. Indian could understand and appreciate their rich tradition. It created a new generation of Indians with progressive attitude. These are all the impact of British education in India. Moving to the next concept, that is impact of British land revenue system. There are many impacts on land revenue system of India because of British administration. First one, new class of Jamindar was created. Jamindars became landless. Land became a commodity. Loans could be raised by mortgage of land. Many jamindars had to mortgage their land to pay the land tax. Agriculture sector became commercialized. Farmers had to grow raw materials needed for factories of England. Money lenders became very strong. These are all because of British administration. It impact on land revenue system of India. Moving to the next concept, that is Regulating Act. Under the Regulating Act, what are the important changes brought in India? The first one, Bengal Presidency got control over Madras and Bombay. The Governor General come to the post in place of Governor. Governor General authorized to control and supervise the presidencies. Presidencies are Bengal, Madras, and Bombay. Bombay Madras presidency, these two presidency cannot declare war on anyone without the permission of Bengal. So Bengal became very powerful because of Regulating Act. Supreme Court of Judicature came to existence in Kolkata. It had one Chief Justice and 3 judges. These are all a very changes brought by British government under Regulating Act.